Hey guys, and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner where love cooks. And in today's video guys, I will be preparing ground turkey. So guys, as you can see here, I have the turkey in this pan. I went ahead, I gave it a wash with water and vinegar. And so now it's time for me to do my seasonings. So on this plate, as you can see, my ground seasoning: onions, tomato, hot pepper, garlic, bell peppers, carrots, and my green onions, as well as my powdered seasoning. Here, as you know already, salt, you need that in your cooking as that will give flavor. My Maggi all-purpose seasoning, that's a must for me. Complete seasoning Badaya, and also my browning, and this will give color and also taste. So guys, at this point I will now start to apply the seasonings to the turkey. After applying seasonings, I will leave to stand for 30 minutes to marinate. Exactly 30 minutes after I had left the turkey to be marinated, I put on the stove some oil in this pan, and so I'm going to transfer the ground seasonings to have them sauteed. guys, now that the sauteed period is over, it's time to add the turkey. So guys, as I slowly open the pot, all I can smell is just deliciousness, and this is looking great. I like the water in it. I did not add any water as yet, and so it's not sticking or anything is burning. It's just they're simmering at the right temperature, and so I'm just gonna leave once more so that the turkey can continue to cook, and I will check again in a few. For the third time, I am back, and this time I'm gonna pour some water into the turkey. It's looking really good, it's smelling really good, guys. I really wish you could just taste it, but I guarantee if you try this you won't regret it. So I'm just gonna add a cup of boiling hot water to the turkey at this point. And 1/3 of ketchup just for thickening of the gravy and also to add taste. At this point, guys, I added some thyme leaves as this will add flavor. I'm gonna leave this to simmer for 2 minutes more Then I will see you at presentation. And here you have it, guys, lean turkey stew with a cup of vegetable rice, steamed zucchini garnished with carrots and red and yellow tomato. How do you like this dish? Please give me a comment in the description here below. Leave a like, share this video, tell a friend about Sophie's Cooking Corner. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and turn the post notification bell on. In that way, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Until then, guys, never forget to let love be that secret ingredient in all your meals. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.